Alright, today we're going to fix one of these halogen heaters. The thing is, when I plug it in and I press the buttons 1, 2, 3 on top to adjust the power and to spin, well, it's not working. The truth is, if I press it back or sometimes down, it does turn on. But as soon as I stop pressing, well, it doesn't work. Let's say when we do this, yes, it works, but as soon as I let it go, it stops working. The first thing we're going to do is release the screws down here. We loosen them and I can see what's inside. I have loosened the two screws. I put them in this glass so I don't lose them. It's not enough to... I will loosen them. So I am going to loosen these two screws that seem to come off just with the hand. I let go and we'll keep watching. Loosen one, then the other. Like I said, they come off with just your hand by doing this. It gets loose. Let's see what's happening. Now it looks like we can let go and get to this. Well, the reason this isn't working is this system here, look. From here, the copper, which is a system that activates when there's overheating. This separates, works through the little cap, this little plug and this spring. In my case, probably due to the adhesive sticking, the plug cover and spring are broken. So the only one I have left won't have over temperature protection anymore. What I'm going to do is use a bit of copper wire to continuously join these two copper plates together. So if it ever overheats, the heating will break. But well, it's not working right now. So with this, the heating will work without any problem. Okay, the only thing we need to do is connect the two copper wires with this little bit of thread. Alright, once I have it all put together, I'll show you how it looks. I'll put the lid on and we'll see if it works. Well, with the bit of copper I had, I made that knot for both. The two copper plates, now I'll just put the lid on, tighten the screws and we'll see if it works. Alright, we are done now. The repair, I have connected the rotating one. We see that now the halogen heater spins perfectly. And now we're going to do the ultimate test. Let's see if the heating works too. Perfect. Here we have our heater working again. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.